Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Trello to create mockup. Trello itself is not a design tool, but it's a great place to organize your mockup process and present it visually. Think of it as a central hub where you can lay out your concept step by step. First, log in to Trello and create a new board. Name it something like Website Mockup or App Mockup, so it's clear what the board is for. Next, create lists to represent the stages of your mockup. For example, you might use lists like ideas, wireframes, design drafts, and final mockup. You can also create lists for different sections of your project, such as homepage, dashboard, and profile page. Now, add cards under each list. Each card can represent a specific screen, page, or element of your mockup. For example, under homepage, create a card for the header, one for the navigation bar, and one for the footer. Inside each card, you can add descriptions explaining your idea. Upload attachments like screenshots, sketches, or design files from Figma, Photoshop, or Canva. Use labels to color code sections or priority levels. Add checklists to break down steps, like add logo, adjust colors, finalize typography. If you're working with a team, you can assign members to specific cards so everyone knows their part. You can also comment on cards to give feedback or share suggestions. To make your mockup board even more visual, enable the attachments display. When you upload an image, it shows up as a cover on the card, so you can see your mockups at a glance. And finally, if you want to take it further, you can use power-ups like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Figma integration to keep all your designs connected right inside Trello. So by combining boards, lists, cards, and attachments, Trello lets you build a clear, organized mockup workflow where you and your team can see progress and collaborate easily. Thanks for watching.